Motivational moment number 72, shoulding all over yourself. When you say that you should do something, the chances are that you have no intention of doing it. Should is procrastination language. It literally shuts us down from achieving what we set out to do. For example, when you say, I should be writing that report, I should be doing the laundry, I should be exercising, you actually have no real intention of doing it. There's a saying in N.L.P, Neurolinguistic Programming circles, stop shoulding all over yourself. We spend so much time procrastinating, talking about all the things we should be doing, that we fail to deliver a fraction of what we're capable of achieving. Instead, choose to consciously remove the word from your vocabulary and replace it with positive intention. For example, I am going to, I will, and you'll be much more likely to reach your goals. Incidentally, when we use should about others, for example, they should do this, you should do that, we're typically judging, forcing our rules on them and potentially imposing unrealistic expectations.